So this is our weekend project. We just finished building a potato gun. So this is more or less all set up. We got our ignition system right there. That came from one of these lighters. So far, this is what we have. So the trigger is right there. Oh yeah. So we're just waiting for the glue to set. There's no project complete without, what's this? Port wine, some port wine, and our ammunition. That's our ammunition right there. Não, agora vamos ver se ele ignites. More. I guess we have a small little flaw. Our combustion chamber is too small, and once we put fuel inside, the oxygen disappears. So what we do, we insert a bit of oxygen and then fuel and then fire it.
What a flame!
The potato on.
I'm creating pressure. Look, it wants to come out. So now we got the potato.
Oh man. Ooh.
Test number
6.
6.
So now we're gonna try to hit a steel plate.
So this time I'm gonna go fuel and oxygen, right?
Ka-ding!
I got
Fuel in there, it's not gonna do anything. Oh, I hear it, man.
Make this one count. More, yeah, there you go. Caralho! Cara.
so I can see you.
Wow! Wow!
That's powerful. That's a bazooka.
You can see the power of that.
Puta madre, bro.